Hello guys, myself Vinay Maurya. I am from Don Bosco Institute of Technology and I am currently doing my course in through the ITLH, which is being provided like live project what we can do, and some crash courses like PHP and all web stuff that we want to do. Uh,
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Vinay. The first question I would like to ask is, uh, being an engineering student, how important do you think taking an ITLH course is?
uh, like in engineering what we will actually we are teaching our teaching staff like in colleges they actually used to teach us only like theory thing, but we have to need to implement that thing. So the practical thing is more important than theory. I'm not saying like theory is not that much important, but the practical is the more important than theory. So in ITLH we are not like doing only the theoretical part, we are doing it practically and seeing what happens and how it does. So we come to know how we have to do it.
Okay, that's great. The second question would be, how was your perception of coding before joining ITLH, and how has it changed right now?
Actually, I know the coding basics, but I want to know more about it. The like the framework. I've never heard about it and never like worked on it. The idea which is like teaching is the framework. The MVC model which is it follows. So it is good to see how fast we can develop the projects by using the framework, and what all functionality it can provide. Like doing this thing is not like we can do it at any time we can get up and do. So that ideally is taking more efforts in doing these things. This is good.
Okay. What would be one thing which you would personally would like to inculcate in ITLH, being an engineering student?
Uh, like more thing can be done, like more practical work, like more doubts not doubts uh, more practical things can be shown, we are seeing like now user interface, how user interface can be like more practically defined, like the people can do. But the sir is doing the great job, like his patience level is too high. No, like if I was there in his place, it's I can tolerate this thing, because people are like not at the same level. That the main thing, that the batch should be divided, like the IT peoples and the other peoples, because the level is not there.
Yeah.
So the make their level to come up that, and then teach them like in a group, so that they can collaborate with each other like this things.
Okay, okay, that's it. Thank you, Bharat.